Recently, a video featuring the enchanting recitation of the Holy Quran from inside the Kaaba has gone viral, sparking curiosity about the true meaning behind the sound. In this video, we will explore the origin and significance of this captivating sound. What do you think about this sound? What is the meaning behind it? Who owns the voice? Watch till the end as we answer all the questions. Do you know Kaaba? I'm sure you do. Now let's talk about Tawaf. For Muslims, Tawaf around the Kaaba is a profoundly emotional and spiritual experience, connecting them to their faith and community. The pilgrimage is a journey of devotion, self-reflection, and connecting with the divine. The Kaaba is revered as a symbol of Islam and a sacred place. Yet, in one hadith, Prophet Muhammad emphasized the greater sanctity of believers before Allah. During Tawaf, there's no need to recite prayers mechanically. Instead, open your heart to Allah, seek forgiveness, and make your dua in your own language. Remember, Tawaf is a golden opportunity for accepted prayers. Living cells move in circular motions echoing cosmic patterns. Tawaf symbolizes submission to Allah, expressing love and devotion and a fresh start. The 7 circuits represent spiritual stages, from purification to enlightenment. Angels created from light perform. Spiritual Tawaf around Baitul Mamur, the heavenly counterpart of the Kaaba. Pilgrims and angels share in this cosmic act of worship, reinforcing the significance of Tawaf as a reflection of a universal law. The Holy Kaaba is a spiritual axis akin to the center around which the universe orbits. Tawaf is a continuous 24-hour practice, echoing the constant circular motion seen in the cosmos. The act signifies the worship of one God, Allah. 70,000 angels perform Tawaf around Baitul Mamur every day, emphasizing the greatness of the Almighty. In the Hadith of Al-Isra, the Messenger of Allah describes ascending to the 7th heaven, reaching Baitul Mamur, where 70,000 angels daily worship and perform Tawaf, mirroring the earthly Kaaba. During this journey, the Prophet encounters Ibrahim on Baitul Mamur, connecting the heavenly counterpart with Ibrahim's Kaaba on earth. Each heaven has its own house of worship, emphasizing the oneness of God as mentioned in Quran. Angels, following Allah's command, coexist with jinn, facilitating life's evolution. The Prophet outlines angelic recording of sins and mercy for sincere repentance. Allah's interaction with angels involves recording intentions and deeds. Intending good brings multiplied rewards, and angels proclaim forgiveness for those in circles of remembrance, turning bad deeds into good. Our Creator serves as the primary teacher, using nature as the ultimate school where all creations learn through observation. Angels, too, learn from mankind, exemplified when Allah teaches Adam, showcasing his intellectual capacity surpassing angels. This worldly journey serves as a lesson for every soul, observed by assigned angels and jinn. Signs of approaching death become visible when a person destined for heaven turns disobedient, but their repentance surprises assigned angels. After observation, assigned angels glorify the most wise Allah. Our Creator doesn't demand worship forcefully. The truth of His existence invites willing submission. The Quran encourages using intellect to recognize this truth. Allah assigns angels as guides within and around humans, emphasizing His oneness. Prayers to the true Creator receive answers while seeking help from false deities goes unanswered. Allah's reminder emphasizes gratitude and not associating partners. The appointment of 700 million angels praying for forgiveness follows sincere remembrance and recitation of Allah's attributes. Understanding the true meaning of worship in the Kaaba is crucial for salvation and entry into Jannah. The Quran reinforces faith with miracles in the house of Allah. Islam teaches that salvation comes through the worship of God alone, a universal message conveyed by all prophets. Humankind, born sinless, should follow God's commandments to maintain righteousness. Sincere repentance and seeking God's forgiveness, inherent to human nature, restore one's connection with God. Life's trials are guided by God's wisdom, and the Quran, as the final revelation, offers guidance applicable to all humankind across time and place. The Quran emphasizes turning to God in repentance, the road to salvation and rescue from destruction. It instills hope, highlighting God's love, mercy, and forgiveness, discouraging despair. Regardless of past sins, sincere repentance assures salvation. Prophet Muhammad describes sin as black spots on the heart, emphasizing the cleansing power of repentance. The Quran's forgiveness hinges on Allah's grace and human deeds, raising uncertainty among Muslims about their salvation. In contrast to Christianity's assurance of salvation as a free gift, Islam lacks such certainty, relying on Muslims' obedience and good works. Muslims often express uncertainty about reaching heaven as the balance of good and bad deeds remains unclear. While sincerity in repentance is crucial, it carries the risk of becoming a source of pride. Claiming genuine sincerity may imply relying on one's finite, sinful self for forgiveness from an infinite, holy God, introducing a subjective challenge engaging the sufficiency of sincerity. Ultimately, Muslims can only hope they are sincere enough in seeking forgiveness. That's all for this video. Make sure to support our channel by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.